That was very anticlimactic. What's up, guys? We're out in the back of Capital Combat Zone once again, of course. And well, if you watched one of our videos from the other week, we did a bunch of work to Toxic, which was great. Seemed like everybody liked it. It worked pretty good. However, in a part of that video, we take out the metal fences that were on the inside of Toxic. And we think we messed up basically by doing that, because this stuff is so old. It was pretty much holding one side of the wall up, and as you can see, this all fell over. So we think it was because of when we took the fence out of here that it was, you know, it was holding up like this whole side, which sucks. So we came to a conclusion of what we're gonna do. We're basically just gonna load this stuff up and get it out of here, and then we have another set of barrels that we're gonna bring over here and put in its place for now. Pretty much just because we don't have anything, one, that we can build with right now, and two, it'd be pretty difficult to build on this just because we can't see the ground completely, and we don't want to chisel away at like 3 inches of ice. So yeah, it'll be a nice calming video of us just loading stuff up and moving it around. All right, so check it out. So guys, as you just saw, we knocked down the rest of the wall on Toxic that had been falling over from the last storm. We're not able to rebuild it because of the ground and whatnot, so we did do this just to block it and to make it so you can still play it and it not be completely wide open. This is only temporary, so if you guys don't like it, I'm sorry, but if you do like it, maybe it'll work out. We are going to build more of a wall off of there and over once we have the stuff to do it, hopefully in a couple weeks, also when the ground's not frozen. So yeah, there you have it. There was a quick little afternoon thing that we did. So that way, hopefully you guys will like it this weekend when you come on out to Capital Combat Zone. And hope to see you guys there this weekend, because I'll be here Saturday, that's for sure. And we'll see if you guys like the new things that we've been doing to the field. Hope to see you at the field. Have a good one.